Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find the clipboard on iPhone. So simply just open the iPhone notes. So I will just copy it this text, and the next move is that I will be just search for the like shortcuts. So you will just find the easily in this iOS device, and you will be just move in the gallery, and you will just find for clipboard. So you will just search for it. So there are many of clipboard, but you will just find the just clipboard, this one, and simply just tap on this plus icon, so it will be just add on your shortcuts. So when it's stick, so you will just move in the shortcuts and open the all shortcuts, and before you will just previous, you will just copy the text and you will be just find in the clipboard. So I will just tap on it simply, and here you will see. So in this way you will just have to find the clipboard on iPhone. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, then get notified for more videos.